If you have been struggling with excessive shedding, you are trying to recover from hair loss and balding, then you have come to the right place. This is liquid gold, and a lot of people don't know about this. First of all, let's even understand what is causing this hair loss, and that is DHT. DHT is a hormone that has been hindering us from growing our hair longer, thicker and fuller. A lot of people struggle with this, so in today's video we're going to be focusing on what can stop the development of DHT. DHT is a hormone that has been hindering nutrients from penetrating into our hair shaft, and the thing is, this green tea is something that most of us drink literally almost every day, and we're not even aware that it can solve our hair problems, aka DHT blocker. Green tea contains a compound called EGG, and what this compound does is to stop the production of DHT so that DHT will not form and won't attack the root of your hair follicles. And one thing I love so much about this green tea procedure is that it's very easy to make. Even a teenager or someone that is not up to a teenager can make this in the comfort of their home. All you just need is water and a bag or 2 bags of green tea. Depending on the length or thickness of your hair, put the quantity of water you want in a pot or in a kettle, then you put in your bags of green tea. And if you're wondering the kind of green tea to purchase, don't worry, just head over to the market and purchase any type of green tea you see there, okay? Any type works perfectly well. So you're going to allow this to boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn down your heat, allow this to cool down, then pour it into your spray bottle or applicator bottle. Please focus more on the root, that's the scalp, where your hair is growing from. That is actually where the problem is, okay? Focus there. Massage your scalp very well. If you have a scalp massager, make use of it. It will literally work better, but if not, just use your fingers and massage very well in order for the green tea to penetrate very well. There are so many ways you can actually use green tea to block DHT. You can also use it in form of hair rinse. That is, when you are washing your hair, you will apply or spray green tea, then put in the deep conditioning hair mask. Or you can literally make this green tea and pour it into your shampoo, or buy shampoos that contains green tea as one of the ingredients. So you see, there are various ways you can use green tea to stop DHT from distracting nutrients from penetrating into your hair follicles. However, if you want me to make a detailed video of how you can make green tea shampoo in your home, because you know this channel is all about DIYs, growing our hair on a budget, especially for those that are on a very tight budget. So that is mainly what this channel is all about. So let me know in the comment section if you want green tea shampoo, and I will gladly do that for all of you. So when you're done applying this green tea, spraying the green tea on your scalp, your hair is not left out, okay? So make sure to spray it all over your hair. However, you have to be very careful. Please be very careful when spraying this on your hair, because green tea can be very, very drying if you are not mindful of how you are using it. So be sure to use a moisturizer. Moisturizer will help to keep everything intact, and your hair is not going to break a lot after using the green tea. The mistake majority of people make is that after using these herbs, they don't moisturize their hair, and majority of these herbs actually dries out hair, which leads to hair breakage. So you must use a conditioner. If you don't have a conditioner, immediately use hair growth butter, although a conditioner will be much better. Conditioners will literally help to moisturize your hair. Hair growth butters will help to seal in moisture so that it won't escape till after 2 or 3 days. Then you repeat the same process. So that is it. One thing I will never ever recommend on my YouTube channel channel is to tell you all to go and drink something that you have never drank before. So in case you have never ever drank green tea in your life, I will recommend that you should see a doctor. Okay, because I'm saying that I've drank green tea doesn't mean that you should hop on it knowing fully well that you have never done it before. Please and please don't do what you are not used to doing. Okay, another thing I know that I can recommend boldly is eating healthy meal instead of eating junks. Eat more of proteins. There are different sources of proteins that can help to nourish your body and your hair. Always remember, if your body is in good health, then your hair is also in good health. Okay, eat your vegetables, drink your water, sleep properly. Okay, these things can help to improve the health of your hair. And also find a way to reduce stress also contributes to DHT growth. So all these things, by the time they are being handled properly, trust me, your hair will grow like crazy. Your hair will grow really fast. And don't forget to use your hair growth oil or any sealant oil out there. Sealant oils are oils that are quite heavy, such as coconut oil, avocado oil. Olive oil is in between sealant oil and penetrating oil, so you can use it in case you have it in the comfort of your home. So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and I really hope that it has helped you to discover something new you can use in growing your hair. Please do well to share to your loved ones, like, comment, subscribe for new videos. Stay tuned for our last giveaway of the year coming up very soon on the 25th of December. Yeah, it's gonna be a big one, and I hope everyone participates so that they'll win something for themselves. Next video coming up will be how to make potent hair growth oil that can literally take your hair from 0 to 100.